Hey everyone, Brad Turnbull here with Turnbull Tonics. Just wanted to get with you and do an unboxing for you. A few weeks ago, John, the Flying Beardsman, he and his wife Juliana, they had an auction, the Whiskers for Wellness auction, benefiting St. Jude's and Pathfinders for Autism. Anyway, so I won a couple of the auctions, and so I wanted to open a couple of these packages for you guys. I'm excited as an owner of a beard care company. I always enjoy trying other people's stuff. So without further ado, we'll get right into these. So these are the first three that showed up. I think I won stuff from 9 different companies overall, between all the different packages. And so these are just the first three. I figured I'd break it all up rather than do a super huge long video that nobody's going to watch anyway. We'll just break this up a little bit. So the first one here is from Broke Ass Beard Care, or Beard Supply Company. And excited for this one, as I'll be excited for all of them. So anyway, so yeah, oil, butter, and balm. Yeah, nice card. Oh, nice. He's got all the scents on the back of it. I like that. I don't know if this will autofocus or not. No clue. Anyway, Brad, thanks. Congratulations. We hope you enjoy winning from the auction. This brightens up your day. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Thanks again and have a great day. That's from Eric. So it's got the different ones that I ordered, which is good as a cheat sheet. It's been a little while, but and we will start with the oil. So I went with his And series. I'm not a huge cologne fan. Never really worn much cologne. You know, stuff like that. It's not much of a cologne guy. So this first one, this oil, is the Cuban Cigar and 25-year whiskey. It's a 1 ounce bottle, and there we go. I like that. I get kind of a sweetness from I'm assuming probably from the whiskey on that initially. I get some of the cigar scent. I like that. Cool. I think that one's going to be a good one. Oh, you know what? Nice. He's got all those other ones on here too. Yeah, that's cool. Alright. On to, I think this is the balm here. Apparently my knife is not very sharp. I'll use the other blade. Alright, so this one, the balm, I got his antique wood and vintage leather. Very good wrapping job. Alright. Get the leather right away on this one. Yeah, initially get that leather and then get some of the woodiness out of it. I like that. Very nice. Alright, and then, I don't know if this will autofocus or not. Probably just gonna be blurry. Alright, and the last one from these guys is the butter, which I got smoked vanilla and tonka bean. Ooh. Ooh, I like that one. Ooh, I really like that vanilla. I like that one. I guess my favorite scent. Just from the initial scents like this. I'll try them all in beard, and maybe someday I'll get back with y'all on how they are in beard and how the scents last. All right, so that is the first one of 3. Glad we're not doing all 9. Actually, I don't have all 9 yet because one of the companies is actually from Australia, and so shipping from them will be a little while. But all right, so this next one here is from JC Grooming. I don't remember what all I got because it was a while ago, and there's lots of stuff in here. There's a nice card. Nice. All the different stuff they offer. And then a handwritten note on there. It says, Brad, thanks for supporting such a great or an awesome cause. Hope you enjoy it. JC, yes, for sure. It was a great auction. Huge turnout on that. Tons of money made. It was great being a part of that. And thanks to everybody else that was a part of it. Both from just purchasing stuff and donating. Yeah, totally awesome. Nice. All right. All right. So we got Zephyr is the scent that I got for these 3. We got the 2-ounce beard balm, 2-ounce butter, and then the oil. So again, this is JC Grooming. We'll go through and give these a smell. I don't know what their scent profile was on that one. I get kind of a... Wow, it keeps changing. Let's see if they have scent description on here. Nope, just the Zephyr. Let's see what this is like then. Oh yeah, that was the no wait, that was a different one. I got kind of like a citrusy lime almost from it. Or lemony. I like that. I gotta look and see what that one was. I think I had it pulled up here. Somewhere. Give me a second here. Not that one, not that one. Down here, where are you? Sorry, I should have been a little more ahead of it here, but yeah, I don't have it right there handy. But anyway, it smells good. I like it. I really like that. Yep. It smells the same. That must be the balm. Lots of butter. Nice. Yeah, I like it. Alright, let's see. Now let's check out the balm. Just throw it around a little. Nice. Yeah, it's good. Very nice. Thank you, JC. Very, very good. Ooh, get that lid back on there. It's almost bad right there. Jack, much appreciated. All right, now, last one for today is the Beards Dignified. So, USPS, kind of smished it up a little bit, but I think everything will be fine in there. Let's get this puppy open up. Because they have their own box. Inside a box. Box within a box. Ooh, I wonder if there'll be a box within a box within a box. Let's find out. Alright, good presentation there. Ooh. Beards Dignified. Nice. Ooh, little pocket comb. Very nice. I need one of those. I actually do need one of those. Cool. This is exciting. Alright, so the Paris of the Plains. Bourbon and orange, cherry and vanilla. First I get the orange. That pops out. I like it. I get the orange and I get some of the vanilla. Maybe hair of the cherry. I don't get much of the bourbon. Let's go with this hand. I should have grabbed some paper towels. Anything. Nope. Pants it is. That's good. Very complex. I get mostly orange out of that initially anyway. But again, it'll be good getting these in beard and see how they change over time. Alright, now we have the Brewmaster. Yes. I was looking forward to this one a lot. So before I moved down here to Utah, I worked at a brewery up in Montana. And I loved it up there. I loved making beer, loved brewing, loved the sight, the smells, the sounds, everything. But I really miss the smells, and so I've actually been doing some home brewing with a buddy of mine. But I saw this as one of the scents, and I had to get it. I really want to clean my hands off. Pants aren't quite doing it, but. So I get the maltiness initially. Kind of if I remember right, it says an oatmeal stout base in it. I get quite a bit of an oatmeal-y scent. Let me see. I like it. It's good oatmeal stoutish kind of scent to it. Have to get that kind of, not really a cookie smell, but kind of like a baked bread sort of smell. This reminds me of the mash portion of the brewing process. Good. Excellent. I'm looking forward to get that in beer too. Alright, now we have Co-Wash. This is the, so their Co-Wash comes unscented. So it's minimalist is the scent on it. So that will be, I'll be looking forward to trying that as well. And then we have the Beard Wash. BW3. So this is the Commodore. Let's see if I can get this thing. Oh, nice, right there. That'll be easy. This is really cool packaging. Oh, I missed the card. Grant McCollum. Be dignified. Excellent. I like it. I like that. I'm gonna have to try this tomorrow morning. Let's see, is tomorrow wash day? I don't remember if tomorrow's a beard wash day. If it is though, I'm gonna try this. I like it, I like it. Nice. Alright, well, unless there's any other hidden gems in here, that concludes today's unboxing of the first 3 companies from the Whiskers for Wellness auction of 2020. John, thank you very much for putting that on. You and Juliana did a heck of a job on that. Well run. Yeah, just a great event. Thank you everybody that participated. We'll see you next time. Thanks.